Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about royalty income. This type of income occurs when you are paid after your work is completed. It's the money you make by allowing others to profit from your ideas or properties. This includes royalties from books, movies, or songs, as well as income from real estate or business investments for which you are not required to be present. There are 5 types of royalty income. These types are performance royalty, book royalty, owns the patents, franchise royalty and mineral rights. Fees and payment amount for royalties can be determined in a number of ways. Fees can be set as a fixed or variable percentage of gross sales in the case of a franchise. For example, there is frequently a royalty minimum. Royalty payments can take a variety of forms. The number of units sold determines royalties for specific products such as a book, a piece of music, a patented product, or a concert. How hard it is to get started. To start earning royalties, you must first create something useful in your field that is needed by a large number of people. To build the product, a person must have sufficient knowledge and skills. Royalty is a form of passive income, but it necessitates a significant amount of ongoing effort. How hard to make first 1000 rupees from it? It is extremely difficult to earn the first 1000 rupees from it because royalty is only earned when you provide value to the customer. If you write your own book, for example, the first step is to find a publisher, which will take a lot of time and effort. You can earn your first 1000 rupees in 1 to 6 months if your book is launched and successful. How hard is it to maintain? It's simple to keep royalty income going. The amount of money earned is largely determined by the person's initial effort. Royalty payments are similar to other forms of passive income in that they provide consistent income over time. Bill Gates is an American business magnate, software developer, investor, author, and philanthropist. He is the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. The disk operating system was created by Bill Gates. IBM agreed to pay Gates' company a small royalty on each copy of the software sold. This is how Bill Gates earned large income. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates.